initially named itself the lead executioner, characterized by premium specs at mid-go costs, yet that has changed with the OnePlus 5T, in light of the fact that with costs beginning at £449, and extending up to £499, this is an Android leader pure blood. It's strange for a cell phone organization to discharge refreshes so near one another, however it's a natural timetable we're seeing from OnePlus at this point. The OnePlus 3T was discharged 3 months after the 3, and made utilization of the most recent chipset from Qualcomm in an indistinguishable body. The OnePlus 5T is the turnaround approach, remaining basically indistinguishable inside, while redesigning the outline. The greatest contrast you'll see with the 5T is the new 6-inch edge-to-edge show, up from 5.5 inches. It's a shrewd move, as extensive bezeled cell phones are looking progressively dated. On the off chance that OnePlus holding up until next June to embrace the innovation, it would have been left in the tidy. To make space for the bigger screen, the unique Mark sensor has moved to the back, underneath the double camera framework, which has likewise been refreshed, for enhanced low-light execution. Much the same as the purchasing procedure, the outline of the OnePlus 5T is currently more refined. Much the same as the 5, the 5T is adjusted and smoother than its ancestors. It's a really premium plan, that is hard not to be inspired by. It comes in a single shading, and one shading just, dark. It's agreeable to hold also regardless of being on the expansive side, it's pleasingly thin at 7.25mm, and the back aluminum packaging has a reassuringly grippy surface. Actually, on the off chance that you organize slenderness over whatever else, the OnePlus 5T is for you. While it isn't the most slender in general, the decreased edges influence it to feel considerably more slender than 7.25mm. Another region that has gotten a major redesign is the camera. The OnePlus 5T incorporates an amazing double sensor setup, with a 16 mpf/1.7 focal point and a 20 mpf/1.7 focal point for better low-light shots. Not at all like its antecedent, which had one wide and one zooming focal point. Both on the T have the same 27.22mm central length. The 5T will naturally change to the low-light sensor when lighting DIPs under 10 lux, executing OnePlus intelligent pixel technology to combine 4 pixels into one. OnePlus cases this enhances lucidity and lessens clamor and obscuring. The OnePlus 5T is an exceptionally great telephone. It has a smooth, premium plan, an extraordinary double camera setup, and it's amazingly quick. With the refreshed screen and camera, it surely puts a feline among the Android lead pigeons. At this value, it's hard to beat.